Welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a profile photo on the Discord app for PC with the new update. If you've just joined Discord or you're looking to freshen up your profile, this guide will help you get everything set up quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Next to your username, you should see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings. From here, you'll be taken directly to the My Account section. This is where you can manage your account details, including your username, email, and of course your profile picture. To continue, click on the option that says Edit User Profile. Now that you're in the Profile Editing menu, you'll see different customization options. Look for the section that says Change Avatar. Click on it, and you'll be asked to upload an image from your computer. Choose the photo you want to use as your avatar. Once you've found it, click on the Open button. Discord will then give you the chance to adjust the picture, make slight edits, or crop it if needed. Take a moment here to make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to. When you're happy with the changes, click on Apply. That saves your adjustments within the editing menu. But don't forget, you still need to save the overall changes to finish the process. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a Save Changes button. Click it, and your new profile photo will officially be set. And that's it. You've now updated your Discord profile picture in just a few simple steps. It only takes a minute, but it helps personalize your account and makes it easier for your friends and community to recognize you. If you found this guide helpful, try updating your profile and customize your Discord to make it truly yours.